What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be giving the car a quick wash as the weather's great, and we're going to go out for a little drive and get some sound clips and stuff like that, just to make the most of the good weather really. But I just wanted to say as well, thanks for the support on the last video. That was all the comments and everything was really good, considering I have no camera equipment or anything like that, so the whole video and this one is all filmed and edited on my phone and then uploaded to YouTube, so I appreciate that. But we'll get into the car wash and I'll do a time lapse of that.
What we do here is go back.
Yes guys, so as you can see, the Berg's now had a quick wash. It's not the best, just a bucket, hose, quick wipe down. I'll do it properly tomorrow, just so you can see. So as you can see, the car's all clean now, so I'm going to hook you up on the phone mount in the car. We're going to go for a drive and hopefully get some good sound clips, so I'll see you in the car. Get some bangs down this road. So we're out in the car now. The original plan for today was to do a POV, but unfortunately the attachments I need for my head mount, I've lost them somewhere, so I went out this morning and bought this phone mount. So hopefully, I've got my external mic plugged in as well, so hopefully the all sounds alright. But just thought I'd go out for a little drive to try and get some sound clips and stuff, so you can hear it while it's driving, as obviously I can't do the POV. Currently stuck behind a bus though, so it's always the way, innit? You want to film something, go out, it's like 7:30, not many people will be around, and then you get stuck behind a bus. It does sound good though. I really hope the mic can pick it up so you lot can hear it.
It would be going all way as well.
Yeah. But hopefully it's not too shaky. We've been driving around and it's like bouncing around everywhere, but hopefully, oh yes, the bus is turning off. You've got speed bumps and stuff everywhere going through here. So that's going to be the end of the video. Hopefully it sounded alright, hopefully the footage wasn't too shaky. I'm just pulling back into the driveway now, so just a short clip just to try and get some sound so you can hear what it sounds like when it's moving. But yeah, if you like the video, drop a like and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.